You're not lost. Stop saying you're lost. You know exactly where you are. You're in a life that doesn't fit anymore. You're in a version of yourself that you've outgrown. You're standing in the ruins of who you used to be, and you're calling it lost because lost sounds better than the truth. The truth is you're terrified. Terrified that if you admit where you really are, you'll have to do something about it. You'll have to change. You'll have to let go. You'll have to become someone you've never been before. And that's not being lost. That's standing at the edge of your own rebirth and being too afraid to jump. But here's what nobody tells you about this moment. This moment right here, where everything feels uncertain and nothing makes sense, and you can't see the path forward. This is the most important moment of your entire life. Because this is where transformation begins. Not when you have it all figured out. Not when the path is clear. But right here in the mess and the confusion, in the feeling of being completely and utterly lost. You want to know why you feel this way? Because you're outgrowing your old life faster than you're building your new one. Your mind still wants the comfort of who you were. Your habits still pull you toward what's familiar. Your identity is still attached to a version of yourself that doesn't exist anymore. And that gap, that space between who you were and who becoming, that's what feels like being lost. But it's not. It's growth. It's evolution. It's your soul telling you that you're ready for more and your ego desperately trying to keep you small. Think about it. When did you start feeling this way? Was it when everything was going exactly as planned? Was it when you were comfortable, safe, unchallenged? No, it was when something inside you started screaming that this isn't enough, that you're capable of more, that the life you've been living is too small for the person you're becoming. And instead of listening to that voice, you called it a crisis. You called it being lost. You called it failure. But what if it's actually the opposite? What if feeling lost is your inner compass recalibrating? What if it's your intuition telling you that you've been walking the wrong path? And now, finally, you're ready to find the right one. Every single person who ever did something meaningful with their life went through this exact moment. Every entrepreneur who built something from nothing. Every artist who created something that mattered. Every person who transformed their body, their relationships, their entire existence. They all stood exactly where you're standing right now. Feeling lost. Feeling stuck. Feeling like they had no idea what they were doing. The difference between them and everyone else wasn't that they figured it out faster. It's that they moved anyway. They didn't wait for clarity. They didn't wait for the perfect plan. They didn't wait until they felt ready. They just decided that feeling lost was better than staying stuck. And they took one step. Then another. And eventually, the path revealed itself. But you're waiting. You're waiting for a sign. You're waiting for permission. You're waiting for someone to tell you it's okay to start over, to change direction, to become someone new. So here it is. This is your sign. This is your permission. Your life can restart right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you finally figure out your purpose or find your passion or discover your calling. Right now, this moment, this breath, this decision. Because here's what you need to understand about starting over. It doesn't require a perfect plan. It doesn't require knowing exactly where you're going. It just requires one thing, the willingness to let go of who you've been so you can become who you're meant to be. And that's the hardest part, isn't it? Letting go. Letting go of the identity you've built, the story you've been telling yourself, the excuses that have kept you safe, the fear that's been running your life. You've been holding onto your old self like it's a life raft. But it's not saving you, it's drowning you. Because you can't grow into your new life while you're gripping your old one. You can't become the person you're meant to be while you're still trying to be the person you were. And I know what you're thinking, but I don't know who I am anymore. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Good. That's exactly where you're supposed to be. Because you can't discover who you really are until you stop pretending to be who you're not. You can't find your real purpose until you let go of the fake one you've been chasing. You can't build your authentic life until you demolish the one you constructed to please everyone else. Feeling lost isn't a sign that you're failing. It's a sign that you're finally waking up. So what do you do now? You stop running from this feeling and you lean into it. You stop trying to go back to who you were and you start asking who you want to become. You stop looking for the old path and you start creating a new one. Here's how. First, you get brutally honest with yourself about what's not working. Not what's hard, not what's challenging, what's not working. What in your life is draining you instead of filling you? What relationships are you maintaining out of obligation instead of genuine connection? What dreams are you chasing because you think you're supposed to instead of because you actually want to? Write it down. All of it. The job that's killing your soul. The habits that are keeping you stuck. The beliefs about yourself that aren't even yours. The expectations you're trying to meet that were never meant for you. Because you can't change what you want in knowledge. And most people stay lost forever because they refuse to admit what's actually wrong. They keep trying to fix symptoms instead of addressing the disease. They keep rearranging deck chairs on the Titanic instead of admitting the whole ship is sinking. Not you, not anymore. Second, you give yourself permission to want something different. This is harder than it sounds because most of your life you've been trained to want what you're supposed to want. Success that looks like everyone else's success. Happiness that fits someone else's definition. A life that makes sense to people who will never have to live it. But your life is yours. Your dreams are yours. Your path is yours. And it doesn't have to look like anyone else's. It doesn't have to make sense to your parents or your friends or the person you were 5 years ago. It just has to be true. True to who you are right now. True to what you actually want. True to the person you're becoming. So ask yourself, if nobody was watching, what would you do? If you couldn't fail, what would you try? If you had to live with your choices and nobody else's opinions, what would you choose? That's your compass. That's your direction. That's your new beginning. Third, you take one small action toward that truth. Not a giant leap, not a complete life overhaul. One small step, because transformation doesn't happen in one dramatic moment. It happens in 1,000 tiny decisions. The decision to get up when you don't feel like it. The decision to try when you're afraid. The decision to keep going when everything in you wants to quit. And here's what happens when you take that first step. The fog starts to clear. Not completely, not all at once, but enough. Enough to see the next step, and then the next, and then the next. And before you know it, you're not lost anymore. You're not stuck anymore. You're moving, you're growing, you're becoming. But it starts with one decision, one choice, one moment of courage. Fourth, you protect your transformation like your life depends on it. Because it does. The moment you start changing, everything around you is going to try to pull you back. Old habits will call you. Old friends will question you. Old fears will whisper that you're making a mistake. And if you're not careful, you'll listen. You'll convince yourself that feeling lost was better than feeling uncomfortable. That being stuck was safer than being in motion. Don't do that. Don't go back. Because the only thing worse than feeling lost is finding yourself again and then choosing to get lost on purpose because growth was too hard. Surround yourself with people who are also becoming. Consume content that challenges you to grow. Create an environment that makes your new life easier than your old one. Because your environment will always be stronger than your willpower. And if you're trying to transform in the same space that kept you stuck, you're going to lose. Fifth, you redefine what success means for this season of your life. Right now, success isn't a destination. It's not a title or a number or an achievement. Success is simply this choosing your new life over your old one. Every single day. Even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. Success is getting up when your old self would have stayed in bed. Success is trying when your old self would have made excuses. Success is believing in who you're becoming even when you can't see the evidence yet. Because transformation is invisible before it's obvious. You're changing long before anyone else notices. You're growing long before the results show up. And if you quit because you can't see it yet, you'll miss the breakthrough that was always just one more day away. Listen to me. You are not lost. You are being rebuilt. Every confusion you feel is old programming being deleted. Every uncertainty is a new possibility being born. Every moment of not knowing is making space for something better than you could have planned. This is your life restarting. Right now. Not in some distant future when you finally have it all figured out. Now, in the mess, in the middle of not knowing, in the space between who you were and who you're becoming. And you have everything you need to take the next step. You don't need more information. You don't need more time. You don't need more resources. You need more courage. You need more commitment. You need more belief in the person you're becoming than attachment to the person you've been. How much longer are you going to wait? How many more days are you going to spend wishing things were different instead of making them different? How many more nights are you going to go to bed knowing you're capable of more, but too afraid to try. Your future self is watching you right now, and they're either thanking you for the decision you're about to make, or they're heartbroken that you chose comfort over courage. Again, which version of your future do you want to live in? The one where you look back at this moment and say, that's when everything changed. Or the one where you look back and say, that's when I had the chance, but I was too scared to take it. Because this moment, right now, is a choice. You can keep calling yourself lost. Keep waiting for clarity. Keep hoping that someday you'll feel ready. Or you can decide that loss was just a temporary state, a transition, a necessary destruction of who you were so you could become who you're meant to be. Every cell in your body regenerates. You're literally not the same person you were 7 years ago. Physically, you're completely new. So why are you still holding on to that old person's limits? That old person's fears? That old person's story about what you can't do? You're new. Start acting like it. Your life doesn't need to be fixed. It needs to be reimagined. And the only person who can do that is you. Not a therapist, not a coach, not a book or a video or a sign from the universe. You, with your choices, with your actions, with your willingness to become someone you've never been before. And yes, it's going to be uncomfortable. Yes, you're going to doubt yourself. Yes, there will be moments where you want to go back to what was familiar, even though it was killing you. But you're stronger than that. You didn't come this far to stay the same. You didn't survive everything you've survived to play it safe now. You didn't feel this level of discontent just to settle for a life that looks good, but feels empty. You're ready. You've been ready. You're just scared, and that's okay. Fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means this matters. Fear means you're about to do something real, something true, something that will change the trajectory of your entire existence. So feel the fear and move anyway. Take the first step even if you can't see the whole staircase. Say the thing even if your voice shakes. Make the change even if you don't know how it will turn out, because your life is happening right now, not later, not someday, now. And every moment you spend waiting is a moment you'll never get back. This is your restart, your reset, your chance to build a life that doesn't just look good on paper, but feels true in your soul. And it starts today. It starts with one decision, one commitment, one promise to yourself that you will not waste another day pretending to be someone you're not. That you will not spend another year living a life that doesn't fit. That you will not look back with regret because you were too afraid to try. You are not lost. You are exactly where you need to be to become who you're meant to be. So stop searching for the old path and start creating a new one. Your life can restart right now. And the most powerful thing you can do is decide that it will. Decide that today is day one. Decide that this version of you, the one who feels lost and confused and uncertain, is about to become the person who found themselves by having the courage to let go. The world doesn't need another person playing small. It needs you, the real you, the you that's been buried under expectations and fear and the need to be who everyone else wanted you to be. That person is ready to emerge. Let them. And if you want to continue this journey, if you need this reminder every single day, subscribe to Motiverse. Because we're building a community of people who refuse to stay stuck. People who are committed to growth even when it's uncomfortable. People who understand that transformation isn't a destination, it's a daily decision. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us as we become the people we're meant to be. Together, one day at a time, one choice at a time, one powerful decision at a time. Your new life is waiting. Go get it.